In this video, I will show you how to trade stickers for rewards on Monopoly Go. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is, of course, open up Monopoly Go on your device. So here we are, as you can see, on Monopoly Go. Now, what you're going to want to do is come down to the bottom right hand corner and you want to press onto the album button to come into your albums. So what you can do, if you do have any duplicate stickers, you can actually exchange these for rewards. To do this, what you're going to want to do, if you look in the bottom right hand corner, you've got this little picture of like a chest. So you want to go ahead and press onto this icon, and it's going to bring up these stickers for rewards screen. So you can see at the moment I've got 295 stars, which have been obtained from duplicate stickers. And what you can do, you've got 3 different options. So you've got a chest which is for 250 stars, one for 500 stars, and one for 1000 stars. You can see currently I've got 295 stars. Now, if you actually press onto each chest, it's going to tell you the rewards that you get for the amount of stickers. So for example, the first one, this orange chest here, if we press onto this, you can see for 250 stars, we're going to get between 100 to 145 dice, plus a sticker pack with at least one 3-star sticker. The next tier up, which worth 500 stars, is a better prize. You actually get between 225 to 300 dice and 2 sticker packs. And for the biggest prize, which is a gold chest, which is worth 1000 stars, if we press onto this, you actually get 400 to 550 dice, 2 sticker packs, and a wild sticker, which, of course, the wild sticker, you can choose any sticker you want, which is good if you have any that are missing. So what you want to do is keep going around rolling dice and collecting stickers, and when you've collected enough duplicate stickers, you can come across this screen and exchange those stickers for rewards. So that is how to trade stickers for rewards on Monopoly Go. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.